Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint unlock not working on Motorola Edge 70. So first, let's try right here. As you can see, it is not working. Then take a microfiber and clean the sensor right here. Now try. As you can see, it is working. But we can go into the settings, then into security and privacy, device unlock, face and fingerprint unlock, fingerprint unlock right here. Then here you can check which finger is this, but we can delete it. Then go once again into fingerprint, setup, and set up the finger once again. Remember that if something goes wrong, just clean the sensor and keep going. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.